POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Linner. You might find them familiar. We've covered them in the past with their NC50 in-ear earbuds that actually got a lot of attention. And this is their over-the-head design instead. This is the NC80, kind of a follow-up to those. Also active noise canceling, but what we're going to do first, we're going to pop this open, we're going to see what it looks like inside the box, see what it comes with, and then you'll go to POCnetwork.net and see what we have to say about it later on. Before you find anything, you have a little fold-out here. Not a fold-out, but a little booklet. Nice, big, good print. Talks about how to operate the headphones. These are the headphones. These are the NC80 wireless on-ear, over the head, but on-ear style headphones from Linner. Has a nice kind of modern design to them, pretty nice. The outsides, it looks like of the band and the muffs, feature a fabric material on the outside while you're getting that kind of, looks like a fake leather, kind of pleather material on the inside with the cushion. Same thing with the actual muffs. The inside has that pleather material and the outside has a kind of a rough fabric design. You have the Linner name logo on one side and their actual logo, graphic logo on the other. And on the right muff, you're going to have most of your controls. You have your power button right here. You have an LED light there that shows you the status of the headphones as they're, if they're on or off, Bluetooth pairing mode and whatnot. You have a volume up and volume down command, which is also going to act as your track selection. You have a 3.5mm input in case you want to take these headphones wired. And you have a micro USB port for charging them with. And this small little hole here contains a little microphone so you can use them to talk with. On the other muff, you have, it looks like another small hole. It might be for, that's more than likely for noise cancellation. It's probably another microphone. And then you have noise cancellation button to enable noise cancellation or turn it off. Because obviously when you have it running, it's going to draw upon the battery a little bit more than it would be turned off. Going deeper into the box to see if it has any accessories. We have a small little box here. Inside that box is a smaller little user guide. So you have your hello one here, a nice big one, and then you have a tiny little one that gives you specs and kind of a brief rundown of everything in the headphones as well. You have your 3.5mm analog cable in case, again, you decide to take it analog, a wired connection instead of Bluetooth. You have your micro USB cable here for charging them with. And you have a small little qualified certificate, model checker date, just to let you know that it was quality checked before leaving their factory. And finally, you have a drawstring bag here to store the headphones with, and that's it. So again, this is the NC80 wireless on-ear, over the head, on-ear, active noise canceling headphones from Linner. So go to our website later on. We'll have a full review on this at POCnetwork.net. We'll dig down and see what we think about them, what we like, what we don't like, and let you know. So again, POCnetwork.net, see what we have to say about it later on. And of course, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe below. We have a button down there you can follow us with. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.